Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was traveling in the southern part of India, South India, Adikesha Mandir, there was a temple, still the temple is there. He found out this Brahma Samhita in handwritten. Formerly there was no printing press. So any important Vedic literature was being copied. Suppose you have got some copies, I want it, so I borrow from you the book and I copy in my handwriting, or I engage somebody who has got good handwriting. In this way, in Vrindavan, still there are so many handwritten literature. They have opened one association, society. They are collecting all this handwritten literature. So this handwritten literature, Brahma Samhita, was collected by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from a temple in South India. And he delivered to his immediate disciples. So this is Brahma Samhita, written by Brahma. It is the summary of the Bhagavad, Srimad Bhagavad. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives reference of Srimad Bhagavatam with Brahma Samhita. That means Srimad Bhagavatam also is eternal. They are not man-made, manufactured books. The Vedic literature means, as it is stated in this verse, Tini Brahma Rida. Brahma means Vedic literature. Sabda Brahma. So, he distributed the Vasudeva, original person, absolute truth. He transferred this Vedic knowledge. Teni Brahma Rida. Brahma was alone. He could not see Krishna eye to eye. But Ishvara Sarvabhutanam Riddesha Arjuna Tishtati. Krishna is everyone's heart. So he taught him from within. Krishna's name is Chaitya Guru. Guru, spiritual master from within. So Krishna is trying to help us from within, and he manifests again externally also as spiritual master, directly teaching. So from within, from without, he is trying to help us. Krishna is so kind. From within and without. Teni Brahma Rida Adhikara. So this Brahma Samhita was written by Lord Brahma, and in Brahma Samhita the name of Krishna is there. Ishvara Parama Krishna. Beginning. That is the 5th chapter. There are 100 chapters. Only 5th chapter is available. So, in the beginning of that 5th chapter, Brahma says, Ishvara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha. So how this rascal can conclude that Krishna was in some years, some 100 or 500 years ago, there was a bhil boy, very powerful. So in this way, these rascal so-called scholars, they are misleading us. Therefore we call them simply rascals. They do not know what is the truth. And still, they write books, they write commentaries, unauthorized and mislead public. This is going on. Krishna is not manufactured. In the Brahma Samhita there is complete description of Krishna. Ishara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadidadi Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam, the cause of all causes. Janmadya Sujata, Vedanta Sutra says the absolute truth is that which is the original cause.
Hare Krishna. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.